M4A2, this is for a twin diesel engine career. Quite simply, America wanted to make so many tanks. They like the idea of using aeroplane engines, radial engines. Actually, the aircraft industry needs those radial engines as well. So they end up with 4 different engine types in the Sherman. Some are used a lot. Americans particularly don't like that version with a diesel engine. They give it to the Marines and they give it to Britain and also the Soviet Union. But we did that tank up to look like a later war American tank for the movie. 76mm gun. Again, inside the museum you'll see the American star. We've got the older Sherman remaining in the collection in there. Number 2 off the production line, Michael. 75mm medium velocity gun. 7.5 centimetres across the end of the barrel. It will fire a good high explosive round, not bad armour piercing. Once we realised in North Africa that Americans start picking up we're going to need a more powerful gun, this 76mm gun only ability to